హాయ్ గైస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ నిరంజన్ కుమార్. సో మనం ఈరోజు సిక్స్త్ డే సెకండ్ సెషన్లో ఉన్నాము. మార్నింగ్ మనము సెషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసాము 173 నుంచి. సో 202 వరకు తీసుకొచ్చాము అకౌంట్ని. సో నౌ వీఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ టు గ్రో సమ్ మోర్, అట్లీస్ట్ 4 to 5% అమౌంట్ వీఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ టు గ్రో ఇన్ దిస్ లైవ్. ఓకే, విల్ సీ. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks, guys. So today I'm going to explain you the small concept. Okay, and I'm planning to grow one more 5% in live. So morning I made a good profit. It's more than 10% I made, and now I'm planning to grow another 5%. Market will be no volatile and it is going very smooth. So, and I'll give the small concept, right? There's a means concept in the sense there is a setup. Okay, so in real market, right, from last 3 days I'm working on the real market. So the results are awesome, very good results. The setup, right, setup is giving very good results. That's why I'm recommend you guys as well. So first I'll tell you uh, uh, what are the tools required for that setup and what kind of market we can choose for that setup and all. Okay, the first rule will be the sideways market will not support for this setup. Okay, we need minimum small swings like this: come down, come go up, come down, go up, these kind of things. If you go sometimes rise, jig market, so these kind of markets will not support. So smooth move, these kind of markets also will not support. Okay, the movements will be like this: down, go up, up, down, up, down. It will be up and downs kind of thing. Either it is a uptrend or downtrend. These kind of markets don't suggest. Okay, so he up to here market is good. Okay, now after off from here, right, market is not good. So avoid this kind of script at the time. So later it came to good swings, now then you can go and find it. Okay, so first market will be in smooth and swings mode. This, see here it is jumbling. After that, very smooth moves are creating, coming down, going up, coming down, going up. So these kind of moves. Okay, so these kind of moves is good for this setup. Okay, so for that, the setup, right, it will be very simple. Okay, so we are going trade with the trend only. So we are not going against the trend. So if your trend is friend, right, the accuracy will be more. So that's why I got a very good win ratio. Okay, earlier I'm afraid of to place the trades in the real time real pairs, but nowadays, right, I'm trying to catch the good things. Okay, okay. First, you need to find out the good script. Okay, I can say that this is going very good. So what you need to do? You need to add that moving average. Okay, you need to add the moving average. Okay, the moving average size will be means SMA smooth moving average only. The size will be 5. Okay, because why we are going with the short time frame? So 5 candles moving average only, because we are doing trading with only one candle. Okay, we are not going to trade with the swings, right? We are doing only one candle trade. So in one candle trade we don't want the higher time frames and all. So we need the trend. So we need to trend how the market is moving. So according to that we need to plan the trade. It's only one candle trade we are doing in the binary market. Okay, that's why I recommend only go with only 5 SMA. Once you place the 5 SMA, you can see like this. Correct? Okay. What you now? Sorry, 5 SMA you can add. In Quotex, you can add the EMA here. EMA, select SMA, and it will be 5. Okay, I already added. See here, my green line will be 5 only. Period 5, 5 only. So once you add this one, so where we need to take the place, that is question. So here I'm going to give two setups here. Okay, one first setup I'll explain you. If you see any candle crossing from top to bottom, it means market is moving from above to below. It means what? So market going to change the direction. Okay, this is your confirmation candle to change the direction. So after that, so you need to mark this breakout candle, right? This breakout candle low and high. So in this case, right, you are going downside, right? Our main will be low only. Okay, you can draw some line here. Okay, like this. Okay, so whenever see the next candle, maybe either it is a green or red. Okay, green or red. So the suppose if it is a green, okay, so what we need to do? If it is a red, what we need to do, I will tell you. If it is a red candle, it means the low breakout and going to close below. Correct? Okay, so the next candle you have to look for the marginal entry down trade, not immediate. Marginal entry down trade. Okay, for example, in case, yeah, in case you lose the trade, you will get MTG sure shot. Very rare cases. Out of 10 trades, right? 7 trades you will get win. Okay. So if it is green candle, suppose market not able to break this low, green candle is created. You need to wait for the another red candle. So the red candle breaks this low and closed. The next candle you can enter downside only with marginal entry, not immediate entry. Marginal entry. So in this case, right? So in this scenario, here if you enter this marginal entry, you will get the win. Yeah, yeah. First you can understand that I will show the live market as well. I will show you when I'll take the trade also, and you will get confidence. Okay. So this scenario is red candle and margin entry win. What about here? Okay. No, no. Here, this see this closing is this one. So whenever opening the next candle, where is the moving average? So it means this candle is closed above moving average only. So, but this is the high. But this red candle means we are expecting green here after trend change, but here red candle is came. Here same color but different color. What we need to do? I said we need to wait for the same candle, same color. Okay, this candle color and break this high also. So what we need to do next candle? We have to go upside with the minor trend. This is not major trend, doesn't matter. In 5 minutes you are looking downside, so no matter. So we are looking for minor trend, means small trend. So small trend we are going to place only one trade. So that is come. Okay, here again cross candle confirmation and this is also red, crossed below and closed also with below low only, then this is your entry. So in this case, so what happened? Red and this candle created the high but closed below only. But we need close above this high only. So in this candle, this is closed above this high. Then next candle is your entry. In this case, it is closed below. So this is a red green candle. So where we need to do? This is the cross. Means this is closed below this low. It means here you have to enter the marginal entry, not immediate entry. Marginal entry you have to plan. Okay. So here again high breaks, next candle your entry. If high is not break, 2 3 candles high is not break, no, we no need to trade. We need to trade once the high breaks. This high breaks, next candle entry. So here this low, no red candle, no trade. So here breaks closed above, breaks closed above. This is the candle closed open above and closed below. So this is also breaks, right? Here you need to enter. So if it is failed, MTG win. Okay, this is not closed. Yes, one step MTG is required. Okay, this is again zigzag market. If market is coming down, if market is coming down, we are expecting up move here. See, if it is crossed, we need to expect up move here. So this high is also not breakout. See, this high we are expecting to break because this is the candle is closed above, but this is not closed, this is closed. But here this is closed below only, this is also closed below only. This came up, it is not closed above this high, it is closed exactly. So this is not valid scenario. See here, this is completely closed, crossed, place market. This is completely closed, crossed, you entered, not worked out, MTG win. Whenever change the direction, then only you need to plan. See, if you see here, okay, if you see here, this is the candle is closed, after that low is broke out. No, this is the candle break the low, correct? After low breakout, then only we need to go for the trade. So I took the margin entry here, I went for downside trade. We'll see what happened. I don't know what happened, but I entered based on my setup. 1% trade. You need to stick with one setup, guys. If you are good or expert in that setup will create the money. So if you stick with multiple setups, you will get confusion. It's win, marginal entry. That's what I'm saying. You need to try for the margin, not opening. You need to wait for first 30 seconds, take the marginal entry. Definitely you will get win because the trend is changed. Okay, this candle is confirmed that the momentum trend, this candle is breakout candle, it confirmed the momentum. Immediately we cannot expect the good move, counter attack. We cannot expect big green candle after breakout. So either it should be small green candle or either it should be red candle. So that is the setup. I hope you understand. So here also see this. This is the breakout candle. This is not closed. This is closed below this low. Okay, this is the candle, right? See, this is low. Okay, which candle is break? This is the breakout, but this is not the breakout. The body need to closed below this low. This is closed. Where is my entry? In this candle. Okay, here breakout. This is the confirmation area. Okay, we'll remove this. This is the confirmation area. Not closed, not closed, closed. This is our entry. Correct? But here, this is closed below. Draw the line here. No breakout, no breakout, no breakout, no breakout. This is the breakout. Closed below. This is your entry. Doesn't matter how many candles you are entering. After breakout only you need to enter. Understand? I'm not saying the second candle we need to enter or third candle we need to enter. After breakout, how many candles doesn't matter. Here, no. Market is not changed, guys. See here. Sometime market is above the moving average. Here it is changed. But here, where is the market? Any one of the candle closed above moving average? No. Market is above, then change the direction. That is valid, but not this one. No. My setup is after changing the direction. That's why I am expecting market should be swings, up and downs, up and downs. Okay, I'll tell you. Market I'm expecting up and downs like this. Okay, if market is trading here, no setup. Even if it is green, one green candle is closed like this, no. If market is green candles or red candles, green candles and red candle, it means market is above uptrend. Now change the direction to downside. Okay, here we need to plan for down trade. So in this case, this is not valid. Now if one green candle closes above, market is sustained above that, then we are good. Okay, then we are good. And if you want to go with Are Baba, I want my two trades are lost. I want to go with recovery mode with big money. In that case, I will recommend if you want to go with big money, big risk, then you can look for the stochastic. Add the stochastic, okay? And if your direction and stochastic also from overbought to downwards, then you can go with the big risk. This is big risk trade. Here also big risk trade because of already overbought area. Overbought area, we can take the big risk. Okay, this concept only for real market. Got it? Real market, this will work out perfectly. I'm doing, see this, how many wins today I got it. Lot of wins I got it today. Lot of wins. Okay, so many things. Out of 25 trades, right? Only here 5, and that too one pair. One, this is one trade, two trade, one trade, and this is one trade. Two trades continuous loss. Okay. After that, I took this one, two trades, win, again win. One, so one is loss and one is refund. After that, I took some big risk, four trades, win. Okay. A risk means I need more confirmation. So here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. 8 trades only loss. From here, how many trades continuously win? So this is one trade. This is two. This is three. This is four. This is five, and this is six. Six trades continuously win. Real pairs, six trades. See this. Every time is different. Six trades continuously win. Right? With the same setup. With the same setup only. You need to monitor. So whether once the change happen, then only we need to enter. So breakout, we'll wait for the high. Okay, so we need to draw line here, horizontal line, where it is. Yeah, this. Our setup is it has to break and close above this green candle. Next candle is our marginal entry. If it is not break and closed, then no worry. So here it breaks, but it is closed, no, right? Closed at the same level is not considerable. We need the candle need to close above this high, then only we'll consider that valid. Next candle will go for marginal entry. Okay, we'll see any setup here, no setup here, also no setup. We need to wait for setup. This one and this one almost close to the moving average, already swing high created. If any rejection happen, it is coming down, then it will be good. It's already in overbought. Okay, there is a chances of coming reversal. This is also overbought, so we may get chance in these two scripts. Okay, so that is the setup. Practice it. Okay, 1 or 2 sessions. So each session 10 trades you can try, check the accuracy. Second session try, check the accuracy. Then only you can understand the setup and all. Okay, see this is closed. What about this one also closed. We'll see, we'll get opportunity here. So one is going green and one is going red. Both are green. So it means we need to wait. We need to wait for the breakout. So this is again simply change the direction. If this candle also again went up, right? So this is not valid scenario. At least 1 or 2 candles should be below moving average. Then only we can consider that is a direction change. But here no candle is open and closed below moving average. So this is not trend change. This is a slightly market down and going with the continuation trend. We need trend change. At least 1 or 2 candles should be above the moving average. Then the candle need to cross, that is trend change. Understand, right? Okay, so that is the setup. If I found anything, I will take a few more trades. So this is the fresh breakout row. In this case, our high will be this. Okay, now our setup is valid. Where I need to enter? Margin entry. Margin entry means we need to use the first to 30 seconds time. For 30 seconds time below the opening. That is, green side means below the opening, red side means above the opening. So that is what our concept. 30 seconds. No, it not given any chance. Okay, we need margin entry. If no margin entry, leave it. No trade, no loss. That is my policy. No trade, no loss. Okay, understand the concept, right? Setup. See this? If it is red, yes. So I didn't get any chance. Okay, I didn't get any chance. Marginal entry here. It is closed red. If it is closed green means our chance gone. No set, no trade in this. If it is red, so there is a chances of green candle because it is trend change breakout also happen, it means market has to give some momentum upside. We'll see what happen. Refund, because this script, right, see that dojis, it is not the smooth moves, this script. So okay, refund also, no loss, no problem, leave it. Okay, so this is valid. One or two candles closed below moving average, this is valid. So where we need to put the line? This candle high. Okay, it has to close above this blue line. Okay, waiting for marginal entry. Okay, we'll see. It is near to this breakout, right? So that is a good place for entry. We'll see what happen. Breakout with good candle, this one, it is not a weak candle, it is a good candle. So after breakout with good candle, right, definitely the momentum will come. This concept will work out only real pairs, not in the OTC market. Real pairs based on the buyer sellers, market will move. This is the breakout, right? Breakout means buyer should be active. Okay, if I wait for some more time now, better margin entry I'll get. Okay, we'll see. But still it is closed high only, it is not weak. Okay, still in good place only, it is closed. If it is closed below this moving blue line and all, right, so I will not interest to go with MTG. But it is still good, it is closed above this high only. That's why I went for MTG. We'll see whether it will win or I'll get a loss. So this trade is loss, leave it. So like that you need to trade out of 10 trades, right, you will get 7 trades win. Okay, this is the low. We need margin entry here. Come on, give me chance. No moment, yeah. What happened? This not closed. If it is closed red, right, then we lose the chance because of it is not given any margin entry. That's why I didn't enter. So it is closed means then gone. So we are not going to take any trade here. Okay, this is breaks. We need margin entry. This is also break. This is the low. This candle is okay. This is breakout. We need margin entry here. No. If we enter opening right, you won't get 80% accuracy. It's difficult. Not go. Okay. Breakout. This is the breakout candle. Okay, and this is the confirmation candle. It is going to close below this level. Then we are good, and we need margin entry here. We need margin. We need margin. Little bit to go up. Okay, and if I got any one more margin, I'll take it. See, lot of people, right? I lose one trade. After that MTG, I went for the recovery plus profit. I lose the two, three trades. Then what lot of people will do, right? They will go with 3 to 4 trades in the next trades. No, that is not good practice. That is not good practice. Okay, we'll see. So if you identified right, the first candle, first signal means signal only. I'm waiting for the margin. MTG, I'm going with the opening itself. What is going on in the 5 minutes? hmm So based on this concept right here, we can expect that big red candle. But see how the market is behaving. Usually we can expect the big red candle here. This like as a evening star can pattern. It gave in. So we no need to panic about the losses. If we have good setup, we can recover the losses in coming trades. It's not a big deal. If you are applying three, okay, Are Baba, 3 trades loss, I can go and place here 4 trades. This is also loss. This 3 and this is 4. Total 7 trades. Next trade I can go with 20. No, that is creating the high risk. You are not following the proper money management. So 3 trades you are losing, no problem. You can place only one. If that win right, you are loss of only 2 trades. So why I went here more trades means clear confirmation. So it is rejected after good breakout. Market is planning to go further upside. Where is that strongness here? All are red candles. There is no strongness. There is a strong buying here. So why I can go with multiple trades? That's why I went multiple trades. Downside MTG trade, win. So, and that too stochastic already in overbought. Where it will go? Already started looking downwards. It will not go and create big candle at this level. Green candle. Not possible. Okay. So like that you need to think the market psychology, how market is behaving, where we are going to place the trade. These are all these things come to the picture. This low. If you see this low, okay, this low, still it is not breakout. Where is that horizontal line? This is the low. Still it is not breakout. Correct? Still it is not breakout and went up. So no setup here. So this candle also closed below. This is the candle is going above again. So this is the breakout candle. So we need to wait for our setup. So basic rule, right? Two, three, at least two candles should be opening and closed below the moving average. Yes. Here three candles, four candles we have below moving average opening and close. So this one will consider as a small swing. This is changing the swing again down to up. So open below and closing moving average above. This is setup confirmation. Setup confirmation. Now we need to wait for the trade setup. Okay, this is assume that okay till now this is the high. Yeah, high. Okay, this breaks and closed above this high. Next candle is our entry. So any questions on setup? If you practice it, you will get the confidence on setup. Okay, if this candle closes below moving average, is it valid setup? No. Our rule will be previous swing at least two candles should close open and closed in the previous trend. Any other one? Here also not breakout. No setup. Here also no setup. Here only yeah, two candles are there. Two candles are there. Still this is valid, and if it is breaks we can try. Here this is a valid. Candles are there. Once it breaks we can try. No, this is zigzag. No setup. Arey Baba. See this? But only one candle, not valid scenario. Okay, Euro JPI is coming. Euro JPI is coming. No. Again closed at the same levels. Here also no setup. So with the setup, you need to wait patiently. Whenever the setup is formed, then take the trade. It is not a big deal, but you need to stick with the setup and wait patient. No setup here. Struggling market here to break these highs. See here, resistance area. That's why market is struggling. Even next candle also closed doji only. See here, this is only one candle, no setup. Euro USD. No, here, see, it is crossed above. Before that, right? At least we need to see two to three candles. Two to three candles below. If you are changing, if you are going up, the swing will be down. Here, where is the candles here? No, it is not swing change. Here, this is closed. We'll see. Good margin, I got it. So this candle is closed above this high. Okay, we'll see what happen. Very good margin here. Very good margin. That is a concept here because breakout means that which side is breakout, that party will be strong. So I am also going with the same strong party. So in that case, right? So if I are going with the strong party, you will get more wins. Recovered, na? My four trades recovered. So if you are going multiple trades to recovery, then you are gone. This is a valid year. Two candles, at least two candles I told you, right? Opening and closing above. This is the breakout. Okay? Trend change. So this candle is closed below and this is valid scenario. But no margin entry. That is the only negative here. No margin entry. At least small wick created. Initially it went to some green, na? Then margin entry. No setup. Understand the setup concept. Yeah, see here. Okay? It's a valid, right? I'm going to draw here. We'll see. Oh, sorry. Here. Market is in downtrend. Candle is crossed and closed above. So it is going to give the breakout. And oversold area, buyers will come to the market. Oversold area. Okay. It is trying to close. If I got margin entry, I will go trade. Give me small margin, little bit down near to the blue line, little bit down. Yes. Okay. We'll see. Oversold area. In this kind of setup, what I told you, if you want to recover, you want to take more risk, this is the best place to add more. Oversold area, sellers will not come to the market. Oversold area, sellers are weak. Overbought area, buyers are weak. In 1 hour, if you sit on this setup right, easily you will get 10 to 15 trades. I'll give guarantee. Easily 10 to 15 trades you will get if you monitor 6 scripts. Win, right? So here only one trade I lost. One trade I placed, MTG I placed, loss. Second trade, first trade I placed, MTG I placed, win. It means only one setup, one trade only I lost here. So this is what, yeah. Actually, this is the level, okay? Because candles breakout, this candle is breakout, and here is our entry. I missed it. Here only one candle, no setup. Leave it. Arey Baba, this is good setup, yeah. Anyone means cash this one? Euro JPY. Yeah, now it is came. Okay. Where is the line? No lines here. We'll add line. Okay, we'll see. If it is closed below, then we got any marginal entry near to this or this, it will be very good. Near to the moving average or near to this our line, it is very good. If it is not closed below, then setup is still we need to wait for the proper setup. And that too overbought area. Definitely sellers will come into the market. If this candle gave the small marginal entry near to this red line or middle of the 50% of the previous red candle here, give me chance, give me chance, give me chance. Go up. Arey Baba. It not given here either 50% at least this body. Sorry? Okay. This is completely overbought. Overbought means buyers will not come to picture. Sellers will enter into the market. Practice it, more wins we will get. I don't know, earlier also I gave a lot of setups. I don't know whether you people are using or not. Okay. Okay. See this. This is the one. Okay. This is the one. We'll see. This candle is a breakout candle. We'll see what happen. If this candle, red candle closed below moving average, right, then it is gone. We cannot consider this one as a confirmation change. If this red candle close above moving average, then still it is valid. I don't think it will go on close. Leave it. Here, two candles already formed below. Okay, opening and closing, two candles, minimum two candles. So third candle also. So if next candle is closed above, then there is a valid concept. This one, this one breakout. Okay, this is the breakout, right? And any candle close above? No. Then in that case, this is a valid scenario. Valid scenario. But the risk is this thing. It is a oversold area. Oversold area candle is going very big. So in that case, we need some healthy margin. If buyers are entered healthy, it will came to near to the moving average. then I will try to go down. Otherwise, I will not take because oversold area, risky area. We cannot go. No setup. Mm, good place. Good place. We'll see where it is going to close. Here, ah. Hmm. Now we'll see. This is a valid crossover. Okay, and we'll see. Wait for the trade setup. We'll wait for the trade setup. If this red candle closes below moving average, then this is not the valid. This is invalid. We cannot consider this as uh, a trend change. Yeah, red candle still closed above. We'll see. Okay, meanwhile, any setup. This is only one candle. No. Here also only one candle. No. Okay, here there is a valid setup is going. Valid setup will come, I think. We'll wait for the closing. No, 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 no setup. So this candle closes below, right? It is not the setup. Only one candle is closed above. We need minimum two candles need to close above. Then only we will consider this is a downtrend. Otherwise, we cannot consider this as a downtrend. If you see here, there is a two candles. Okay, this is breakout. Here there is no valid two candles required to consider this as a uptrend. No, but here, right, one two three candles. Okay, if this candle closes below moving average, then this candle will consider as a trend changing candle, because minimum two candles above we have valid. Here only one candle. No setup, no setup, no setup, no setup, no. Here only one candle. We cannot consider this a valid breakout. Minimum two candles we need. If this candle also closed opening and closed above, na, then it is valid. And I will tell you one more concept also. If you see here, so do you have any idea why I draw this line? So higher high, higher high, higher high, correct? I know this higher high, I know this higher high. So third higher high will be this. So here one, second higher high, I know third higher high. So once market reach this level, I can go for short. This is short. Okay. If the same concept with other, this is another setup. Higher high. Okay. This is this is higher high, right? This swing high. Okay. This is another higher high because it's already breakout and created, and so one small swing downside created. And once the market came to third level, we'll go for short. There is a weakness here, short. The same way, lower lows also. These two are lower lows, right? This is lower low, this is lower low. Once this market came to this area, then we'll go for upside trade. Okay, this is one kind of concept. Future direction predicting. Market came to here, then we can go for upside trade. If you set alert, okay, if you set alert, later you got to know that. Any setup you found? This is the one. Okay, we'll see. Breakout will come or not. Breakout in the sense oversold area. Buyers active means buyers will come strongly. This candle need to closed above this line. It is not closed. We need to wait. This is valid, yaar. Two candles. This is valid. Good margin entry near to the moving line. I will try here. If I got a little bit upside near to the moving average, entry got it downside, I will go. Go up. If I got little bit entry here, then it will be very good at this level. Because this is the error candle. So this is a valid setup. Okay, this candle is breakout. After that, this is failed. So definitely next candle will red come. I need to add at opening itself. Yeah, this is a MTG kind of setup. MTG setup will be opening only. Missed it. We'll see what happen. Missed, yeah. Trade miss. Trade miss. Trade miss. One, two, three. Three candles closed. Valid setup. Valid setup. Only one candle. No. Hello. మ్మ్. ఆళ్ళు పట్టుకొని వెళ్ళిపోయారు అకాలోళ్ళు. చేద్దాం. మిస్ అయిపోయింది. మంచి ట్రేడ్ మిస్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే. 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 మార్జిన్ ఎంట్రీ. మార్జిన్ ఎంట్రీ కావాలి. మార్జిన్ ఎంట్రీ. పైకి 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 రా. ఒక్క రౌంతరా. ఓకే. ఫైన్. దట్ ఈస్ బెస్ట్ ప్లేస్. ఓకే, విల్ సీ. This setup is working very good in real market. Hmm. క్యాడ్ జేపీలో అలర్ట్ వచ్చింది. రా 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 కింద రా. కింద రా. అమ్మని ఒకటి వచ్చింది, ఒకటి పోయింది. క్యాడ్ జేపీలో ఏదో అలర్ట్ వచ్చింది. ఎందుకు వచ్చింది అలర్ట్? అలర్ట్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? అలర్ట్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? 1 2 3. ఓకే. నేను ఎంటీ చేయాల్సింది కదా ఇక్కడ. ఎందుకు మిస్ చేసిన? షట్. అలర్ట్ వచ్చింది. అలర్ట్ వచ్చిందని అటు పోయినా ఎంటీజీ మిస్ అయింది. షట్ మ్యాన్. Breakout, 2 candles, valid breakout. Down, down. Look like breakout. Arre Baba. This male closed. This is one. Okay. This is the concept. Breakout. మార్జిన్ ఎంట్రీ. మార్జిన్ ఎంట్రీ. ఒక్క స్వింగ్ వచ్చేసి వెళ్ళిపోయింది కింద కథ. అరే పైకి పో. పైకి పో. పైకి పో. పైకి. ఓకే. టుక్ సమ్ రిస్క్. ఓకే. కాకపోతే పెద్ద స్వింగ్ వచ్చింది. అదొక్కటే డేంజర్. బయింగ్ మూమెంట్ హ్యూజ్ వచ్చింది. ఆల్రెడీ ఓవర్ బాట్లో ఉంది. ఓవర్ బాట్లో ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది చెప్పలేము. లెవెల్ అయితే ఉంది ఇక్కడ. బ్రేక్అవుట్ ఇచ్చాడు. బ్రేక్అవుట్ ఇచ్చాడు. కష్టం. పోయినట్టే. అంత స్ట్రాంగ్ బయింగ్ రాకూడదు. అంత స్ట్రాంగ్ బయింగ్ ఒక్కడి నుంచి ఎడకి. కమాన్ రా రా రా. కింద రా. కింద రా. కిందకి రా. కిందకి రా. కిందకి రా. కిందకి రా. కిందకి రా. కిందకి రా. లాస్ట్ సెకండ్స్. లాస్ట్ 5 seconds. కిందకి కిందకి. ఎస్. వచ్చింది. మార్జిన్ ఎంట్రీ ఇస్తేనా వచ్చింది సెటప్ ప్రకారం. మ్మ్, no. తీసుకుంటారా? తీసుకుంటారా? ఏ అది అదేం చిన్న అమౌంట్ ఏం కాదు. $35 అంటే ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మనకి ఎన్ని ట్రేడ్స్కి వస్తుంది? 18 ట్రేడ్లు వస్తుంది. $2 ట్రేడ్స్. వద్దు, అది పోయిందనుకో మళ్ళా నేను రికవర్ చేయలేను. అమౌంట్ కావాలి, అమౌంట్ ఉంటేనే రికవర్ చేయవచ్చు. కాన్సెప్ట్ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. బేసిక్గా ఇలా వచ్చింది, కిందకి పోయింది, మళ్ళీ ఇలా వచ్చింది. 31. ఓకే అండి. మరి మీటింగ్ ఒకటి ఉంది 5:30కి. సాయంత్రం నేను పింగ్ చేస్తాను మీకు. దీని దీని మీద ట్రేడ్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే. యా యా. యా.